Hello everyone. So today we are starting a new course, that is Python programming. In this course we are starting with the lecture Introduction to Python. In this lecture we will be covering three questions: what is Python, why it is so popular, and use of the Python. So let's begin with the first part, that is what is Python. So Python is a programming language, and Python has become one of the most popular programming languages accepted by businesses and various educational institutions, and its popularity is rising day by day. It supports multiple programming paradigms including structured programming, object-oriented, and functional programming. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in year 1991. Let's move to the second part, that is why it is so popular. Python is so readable. You will feel like you are reading an English description of your program rather than technical code. So in Python, if you are writing any code, you will feel like you are reading the description of that code as compared to the technical lines of the code as we do in other programming language like C++ and Java. So let's take an example of printing hello world on your screen. So in Python we just need to write print hello world, and that is enough, and you will get your answer. Second reason for its popularity is it is an interpreted language, so that you do not have to go through the stages of compiling your program before you can run it. You simply run the program after you write it. Python is also free. Just download it from the web and install it. We will be covering this part in the second lecture, how to install the Python. So let's come to the another reason of its popularity, that Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to the other programming language which often use semicolons or parentheses. Python relies on indentation using white spaces to define scope, such as scope of loops and function and classes. Now move to the third one, which is the uses of Python. In today's era, Python popularity is increasing day by day, and this language have various applications in various industries, including artificial intelligence and machine learning. In these days, robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are widely using Python language. Then coming to the second part, that is data visualization. Today's data visualization is very important part, and in Python there is a library called matplotlib. This library is very useful for the data visualization work in Python. Now coming to the data analytics part. In today's era, data analytics and data science has become one of the most popular career option for the many people. So in data analytics domain, Python is also using these days. Various libraries of Python like pandas, numpy, and matplotlib are very useful in using Python as a data analytics. Now coming to the fourth uses, that is web development followed by the game development. Apart from these five applications, Python also provides various array of application, including a finance domain, insurance domain, and many more things.